So in this video, we are going to be looking at two functions. We're going to be looking at the upper function and the lower function. And these functions really just help us change the characters in our string to either uppercase in the upper function and lowercase in the lower function. So if I want to change my string to all caps, to all capital letter, I use the upper function. If I want to change it to all lower letter, I use the lower function. So, like I said, changes from normal, from whatever it is in the database to either upper case or capital letters in case of the upper function, and lowercase or small letters in the case of the lower function. So let's go into pgadmin and try it out. So we are still going to be working with our normal table, the string manipulation table, and let's write a new query for that. So we're going to be working with the upper and lower. So this is just me commenting this. Remember, we talked about commenting, the double dash, comment on a single line. And Postgres doesn't regard this as code, so it's not seen as a code, seen as a comment. So let's see what's in our table once again. Let's see where we can use the upper and lower function. So okay, let's still use the first name and the last name. So if I want to change my first name and last name, I want to see the output as all caps. So I want everything to be in all capital letter or all lower or all small letter. Let's write the code for that. So I say select from string manipulation. That's my table name. Manipulation. I want to select first name, normal first name. So this is going to be the normal first name with no manipulation to it. First name and last name. And then I want to see my first name in all capital letters. So I'll say upper, and then first name. That's my string field. First name. Let's alias that as a capitalized first name. And then let's try the lower function as well. And let's try the lower function on the last name. Last name as, let's call it a lower last name. Let's run this code now. So we've tried both the upper and the lower function. Tried upper function on the first name and lower function on the last name. So let's run this and see the output it's going to give. So now we can see our results. This is what we originally had, first name and last name untampered. So the first two columns, you can see first name, last name. But then for the third column, we capitalized the first name. You can see James is now all capital James. For the last column, we made the last name in lowercase. You can see Tyler and every other thing are now in small letters. So that is how we use the upper and lower function. In the next video, we are going to be looking at the length function, and this helps us check the length of characters in a column. So let's stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.